Hello students, welcome back to the next session for accounting for not-for-profit organization. Now we will deal with one more 12 marks problems. Yes, we have a problem from the following balance sheet and receipts and payments account of Ganesh Education Trust, Udupi. You are having the balance sheet as on 31/3/2017. Liabilities, office expense 5,000, bank loan 35,000, capital fund 1,20,000. Assets, cash 15,000, furniture 25,000, building 70,000, sports materials 20,000, library books 30,000, total 1,60,000, 1,60,000. On the receipt side, we have balance brought down 15,000, subscriptions 50,000, entrance fees 8,000, donations 12,000, interest 5,000. Credit side payments, office expenses 22,000, postage 100, printing and stationery 500, salary 25,000, books purchased 10,000, bank loan 5,000, subscriptions to newspapers 600, balance carried down 26,800, total 90,000 and 90,000. Now adjustments, subscriptions outstanding rupees 5,000, subscriptions received in advance rupees 5,000, salary prepaid 2,500, capitalize 50% of entrance fees and 100% of donations, depreciate building by 10% per annum, prepare income and expenditure account and balance sheet as on 31/3/2018. Now if we see, the date of balance sheet is 31/3/2017 and the date of receipts and payments is 31/3/2018. So the question in the question 31/3/2018, on that date balance sheet has to be prepared. So we have to first refer the receipts and payments account. Based on this receipts and payments account, income and expenditure account has to be prepared, and these assets and capital fund will be continued in the current year's balance sheet. Now if we see, cash 15,000 is the closing balance for the last year, which becomes the opening balance for this current year 2018. So the cash does not have anything to do with the current year. Opening cash of 15,000 is not at all concerned for preparation of income and expenditure as well as balance sheet. Now coming to the liability side, let us first distinguish what is revenue item, what is capital item. Now bank loan is a liability, so it's a capital liability, long-term loan. Capital fund is the amount of opening capital, so it has to be continued. Next we are having the furniture, building, sports materials, library books. All these are the assets of education institutions, so these will be continued in our balance sheet. Now we'll take the revenue items from receipts and payments account to prepare income and expenditure account. So we are having the first, I said opening balance is related to previous year, it is not going to come. The rest of the receipts that is there, that is subscription, entrance fees and all, they are to be taken to the credit side of income and expenditure account. So before we start the income and expenditure account, let us first tick mark those items which require special adjustments. So from the previous slide we can see subscriptions are having adjustments, so just mark a point or tick subscriptions. Next, salary is having adjustment, so in front of salary put a point or a tick mark. Next you're having capitalized entrance fees of 50% and donations. So entrance fees and donations have to be tick marked. Next, building depreciation, it is taken in the balance sheet, just tick mark. Followed? So the tick marks helps us to remind these items have certain adjustments to be done in income and expenditure account. So we'll start with the subscriptions. Subscriptions are 50,000. Now these subscriptions of 50,000 is the amount which is received. So in the adjustments I'm having outstanding subscriptions as well as advance subscriptions. So advance is received for the next year. So whatever is the advance received, that is adjustment number 2, you have to take it 5,000. So deduct that 5,000, it is the income of next year. So it is not going to be considered. So I will write here 45,000. 50 minus 5, 45,000. Now adjustment 1 says outstanding subscriptions of current year. So current year's adjustment number 1, subscription outstanding it is. So I have to add that 5,000 in to the subscription. So total subscriptions received again gives me 50,000. It is 50,000. That's why I have written adjustment 1 and 2. First adjustment outstanding, second adjustment is for advance received. Next one, if we see the item of entrance fees. Now this entrance fees, it says only revenue portion has to be taken. 50% of donations are to be 50% of donations are to be capitalized, 100% of donations. So when I take income and expenditure account on the credit side, 50% of the 8,000 entrance fees, only the revenue portion is to be taken. So 50,000 of 8,000 amounts to 4,000. So adjustment number 4 says only 50% has to be taken. Next, it also states 100% of donations. So this 100% of donations will appear in the balance sheet as it is capitalized. Next, interest is 5,000. So on the credit side I'll write interest 5,000. Receipt side is over. Now come to the payment side. So payment side, first I have office expenses. Office expenses amount to 22,000. Now this 22,000 has an adjustment in the balance sheet. If we see the balance sheet, the liability side, first one 5,000 is existing. This is outstanding for the last year, which is received in the current year. So what we have to do is, we have to take office expenses which have to be deducted from the last year. So you're having office expenses 22,000 less deduction 5,000. Total receipt of expense is 17,000. So here you can see of the last year 2017, adjustment is from the balance sheet. So it is 17,000. Next you are having postage 100, postage is 100, printing and stationery 500, printing 500. Now coming to salary, salary is 25,000. So 25,000 I am going to write in the inner column. Now adjustment number 3 in the balance sheet says prepaid salary is adjusting. So it is 2,500. So salary prepaid 2,500. Next one, I am having purchase of books. It is asset purchased. So take it to balance sheet. Loan is a liability, repayment of liability. So it will be deducted from loan. It will not appear in income and expenditure account. Next one, you are having subscriptions to newspapers 600. So I'll write subscriptions to newspapers 600. Now any other adjustment which is left, that is depreciation, adjustment number 5 from the balance sheet. So depreciation on building is 10%. So 10% of 70,000 amounts to 7,000. Next one I'm having is the balance carried down. Balance carried down should be taken to the closing balance of cash. So it will come in the balance sheet. Now we will total the assets, credit side of income and expenditure and the debit side. The greater total is to be written on both the sides. So we are having 59,000 on the credit side. So this 59,000 is greater than the expenses. So we'll write the same total both the sides. Now the difference between the total of expenses minus 59,000 gives me a profit of 11,300. This 11,300 is the profit. It is the balancing figure. So we have surplus. Now from this income and expenditure, we are going back to prepare our balance sheet. Yes, you are having the income and expenditure. Need not again write here. It is just for preparation of balance sheet. Instead of moving the slides, we have just taken side by side. So now in the balance sheet, if we see, I am having total capital fund of 1,20,000. Now, so this capital fund of 1,20,000 is written. To this, I will add the surplus of 11,300. So the same 11,300 is added. Next, entrance fees we have taken only 4,000. Balance 4,000 is to be capitalized. So that 4,000 is added to capital fund. 100% of donations have to be taken. So we are having, that is adjustment number 3, which is seen. So 100%. So the total capital comes to 1,47,300. Next, we are having bank loan from the balance sheet. So 35,000 is the balance. Then we have paid during the year in receipts and payments account. We are having on the payment side, we are having bank loan paid 5,000. So 35 minus 5, it is 30,000. Next one, you are having advance subscription received, that is adjustment number 2, 5,000. It is a liability. Take it to the liability side of balance sheet. Advance income received is always a liability. Now coming to the asset side, we are having building cost is 70,000. From that, the depreciation adjustment number 5 has to be deducted. So you will get 63,000 as your total. So you will have 63,000. Next, furniture, as it is no adjustment, 25,000. Now coming to sports materials, it is 20,000. Now in library books, we are having library books in the balance sheet, opening balance sheet, 30,000. During the year, from the receipts and payments, we have purchased books of rupees 10,000. So total books purchased for the year or book value is 40,000. Next one, you are having outstanding subscriptions. Outstanding subscription adjustment number 1. So it is 5,000. It is an asset, income yet to be received. Salary prepaid, advance salary paid or advance expenses also relate to our assets. So you are having 2,500 salary prepaid. Last, cash in hand, which is the closing cash in receipts and payments account, 26,800. So you are having the total of liabilities as well as assets coming to 1,82,300. Total is 1,82,300. Thank you. We'll see for some more problems in the next class.